Hello dear Taurus, welcome to my channel. This is your October monthly reading. Your cards are already out. So we are going to cover love, career, money, health, whatever the cards are going to show us. So let's begin. In your first week, you have got the One of Spheres and the Page card. Well, I do see that there's going to be progress in your life, but it's going to be probably a little slow. I also see that you are hardworking, you are dedicated, and probably you are also dealing with people you're asking for a feedback. If you're dealing with somebody like your bosses, you're going to them, you're talking to them that can you just tell me, give me a feedback, am I performing good or bad? There is somebody who might sugarcoat things, right? They don't want to hurt you, they don't want to be brutally honest, and that's why they are going to sugarcoat things, which means you have to rely on yourself for a feedback. Analyze yourself so that you're not fooled by the words of other people, right? No matter how extraordinary these people are. I also see that you have seen dark times in your career, especially where you had lost all hope, or maybe things did not turn out your way, the promotions were delayed, you did not get a job, you did not clear an exam. Now finally, sun will be shining on you again. I do see hope returning into your life, progress and good news coming into your life. However, slowly, but it will surely come. In your second week, you have got the Initiate card and the Four of Suns. Now this talks about a very social week for you. So second week you're going to be very social, probably school, college reunions, ex-office reunions, relatives, I also see that you will get a lot of invitations and you will invite a lot of people over as well for hanging out or getting together. I do see a lot of social activity for sure. Also, if the cards are saying that if you want to reach out to someone, or if you want to make a plan, if you want to propose to someone, if you want to apply for a job, whatever it is for you, initiate. Which means this week you will have to take that first step. If you're expecting that your friend will call and make a plan, that might not happen this week. Okay. So if you want to meet someone, if you want to make that phone call, pick up the phone and call. If you want to make a plan, invite, right? If you want to make a proposal, you want to be in a relationship with somebody, propose. So you will have to take action this week. That means you will have to take the first step, the lead this week, and things will be very good for you. All right. So go forward, take that first step. In your third week, you have got the Five of Spheres and the Star card. I do see that in the third week, you might face some burdens, like some politics, whether in work or personal life. I also see that you know they they could be burdens that you would be carrying. They could be false blames on you as well, where you might be feeling very negative or very burdened, like a lot of people are attacking you, right? You will be feeling like I have to protect myself, I have to defend myself. It could be the in-laws blaming you for something, your own parents, spouse, or colleagues or bosses, right? It totally depends. Now, with the very positive card here, which is a major arcana card, the Star card, it means that all your wishes will come true. Means this time too shall pass. No matter how hard the times you are going to face, it will pass for sure. And whatever you're feeling currently, it will go away. That negative feeling, that burden, or that politics, it is going to go away. And whatever you are wishing and dreaming about, it will eventually come true. So that means you do not have to be as negative as you're going to be in the coming weeks, okay? Once you face that situation, once you reach that stage. So remember that, okay? Watch, I'm posting this video on time, before time, so that you are prepared for how to deal with what is coming for you, all right? In the last week of October, you're going to get Eight of Stars and the Hermit card. I do see that you could be dealing with a Gemini or Cancer Sun Moon Rising, or you could have that in your own birth chart. You are seeking some truth, like you want a reality check, you want people to tell you the truth no matter how hard it is for you, and there will be a truth that will come out in the last week of October. When that comes out, it's definitely going to hurt you, because the hermit is a seeker of truth, and now that he has found the truth, he really has to be prepared for that. I also see once you find that truth out, it's going to be tough. Like it looks like you trusted somebody and somebody broke your trust. Whether the colleague of yours or a family members or spouse, they either hid something from you, they stabbed you in the back, they deceived you, whatever they did. There's a major truth that is coming your way, and it's going to shock you and also change you in a lot of ways. You could be changing a lot of decisions, your perspective will change, you will start looking at people in a very different way. It could be your own friend who did something, right? So a lot of isolation will happen in the last week, a lot of overthinking and negative thinking. Probably you'll just stop socializing, right? Probably you'll just stop going to work, or you will fall extremely sick as well. So please take care of that. That do not start thinking negatively, because you've already got the wish fulfillment card, right? Which means eventually everything is going to be okay. The blames, the tarnishing of your reputation, or whatever it is for you, eventually things will be okay. Nobody is going to remember that day, right? So please do not start dwelling on that negative pattern. If you start overthinking, if you start negative thinking, you will get insomnia or other illnesses as well. I do see major health issues, cold, flu, something which is keeping you at home, confining you to the home, right? It can be your own negative pattern as well. So please try to break it free. I also see you after this episode, whatever is going to happen to you in the last week, you're going to stop trusting people and start trusting yourself a lot more. That is what the cards are saying, because the hermit means going within. You will go within, you will start asking questions to yourself, that why did I do this? Why did I not see it? Etc. etc. Right? And you will start paying attention to your own intuition, which obviously is going to be good for you in the future, but currently you might face that challenge. So you will have to fight and be strong, okay, against your internal turmoil. You're going to feel a lot of emotions in the month of October. So remember to deal with it in a very positive manner. All right. So with that, this was your October monthly reading. If you guys enjoyed this reading, if you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in my life, then please do like, share, and subscribe my channel, so that you can come back to me and comment and tell me about it. And yes, this was a general reading. If you want to book your own personal reading, if you have very specific questions on your mind, then you can either email me at my personal email ID, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me. Follow me and DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. To know the prices or to make any bookings, these are the only two ways. I have a lot of readings available under 1000 rupees, under 500 rupees as well. So check out the description box for all the services and immediately book your reading right now. Take care of yourself, and I'm going to see you soon. Bye bye.